Hey guys, it's Daniella. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a Target haul. I actually haven't done a haul video in quite some time. I actually haven't really gone shopping for anything other than craft supply in quite some time. So I went over to Target, and normally I don't really shop for Easter, but they had the cutest Easter stuff there, and I had to pick up a couple things, so I can't wait to share. All right, and before we get started with this video, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and let's go ahead and get hauling. All right, you guys, before I get started with the haul, again, Target had the cutest things. I missed out on a lot of the items that I was looking for. I actually went to two Targets on two different occasions to see if I can find, they have these like two-tiered trays for only like $5, and I'm just not lucky enough to find them. So make sure that you guys keep your eyes peeled for those because they're a hot buy, and you'll be lucky if you find one, unlike me. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start with a couple pieces that aren't Easter related. I was really excited to find these. I haven't seen these posted on Instagram. It's a 2-count of storage bins, and I thought they were so cute. It has one that says number 1, and then it comes with one inside that says number 2. You can put these in your laundry room, your kids' rooms, in your craft room. I thought they were so cute, so I was really excited that I found these. And then next I found this drying mat, and I actually don't own a drying mat. I normally just either place them in my sink or in my dishwasher to dry, but this one was super cute. It's two-sided. One side says, "Both of us can't look good at the same time. It's Mirror the House." I thought that was so cute and so true. And then the other side is striped. It's gray and white, so it goes with my decor, so I was really excited to find that. And then the rest of the items I picked up are all Easter items. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the Easter items. I found 2 of these tabletop signs. They're little wooden signs. I thought they were so cute. This one says Happy Easter, and it's white, and then it has like the wood background. These were only $1 each.
I'm so sorry, I don't think I told you guys the prices for the other items. The two count bins were $5 and the drying mat was $3. Alright, back to the wood signs.
This little bunny one is also $1. It says Bunny Kisses and Easter Wishes. I thought this one was so cute. This one is painted gray on the outside. Alright, and then next I found these cute bunnies. Oh my goodness, I was so excited to see these. And they were $3 each. I picked up 3 of them. Look how cute these are. I got 2 of the same one here. They're just slightly different. And then I found this other one here. How cute are these? Like, so freaking cute. And again, these were $3 each. All right, and then next I found this stand here. Look how cute that is with that little bunny. It says it's a cupcake stand. I think it's so freaking cute. And this one was only $3. I couldn't believe it. I thought it would have been $5 at least, but I'm okay with $3. I underpaid. And then last but not least, I found this ceramic tray. It has this really nice texture on it. And then up at the top here, like a little bunny imprinted on it. I thought this was so pretty. I'll say this tray is probably my favorite find aside from the 2-piece canvas bins. I really liked those too. All right, so that concludes my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you guys hit up your local Target ASAP if you guys want to find these items, because I'm sure that they're gonna fly off the shelves really quickly. Again, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. I always appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.